HVAC system humming but not running? That usually means something's up with the relay switches or capacitors, so let's get that sorted. Okay, first off, if your HVAC is making that humming noise but won't kick on, check the capacitor. It's a small part but super important because it helps start the motor. If it's bulging or leaking, it's probably shot and needs replacing. Next, look at the relay switch, which is like the system's on-off button for power flow. If it's stuck or burnt out, the unit won't run even if it hums. Also, sometimes wiring can get loose or corroded, so give those connections a quick look and tighten anything that's sketchy. Another quick tip: reset your thermostat to make sure it's sending the signal properly, because sometimes the problem isn't in the HVAC itself. If you're comfortable with tools, use a multimeter to test the capacitor and relay for continuity and voltage. Don't forget to turn off the power before poking around inside the unit. That's super important for safety. Finally, if you're unsure or the problem sticks around after these checks, calling a pro is your best move to avoid bigger headaches. One of the most common mistakes people make when their HVAC hums but doesn't run is ignoring the capacitor issue. It's easy to overlook since it looks fine from the outside. Fix it by testing with a multimeter or replacing it if it shows signs of damage. Another big one is messing with relay switches without proper knowledge. They can be tricky and cause more damage if handled wrong. The fix here is to consult a technician or carefully follow a detailed guide if you want to DIY. Lastly, people often forget to check the thermostat settings or wiring, thinking the problem is only in the unit itself. Double-check the thermostat and wiring connections as a simple fix to avoid unnecessary repairs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local trusted contractors who know their stuff on projects like HVAC repair or replacement. If you're a contractor, it's a great way to find work and grow your business by reaching people who actually need your skills.